Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm fine.
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, we are learning chapter 9.2, conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. So, before starting, let me know how we can convert. Sweden, this is 4D class. Okay. How we can convert the mixed fraction to improper. Yes. Who is going to tell me? Only Aishwarya? Is there anyone? Okay, after Aishwarya, I will call someone else. So please listen carefully. Yes, Aishwarya. How we can convert mixed fraction to improper? Yes.
Multiply the whole number and the denominator.
Then
add the numerator.
Numerator, yes.
Is there class for 4A now?
4A? What, my dear?
Is there class for 4A now?
Okay. So Aishwarya was telling how we can convert mixed fraction to improper. What we have to do? We have to multiply the whole number and the denominator. Then what do you do? Add the numerator. Okay, so children, please take your math workbook, page number 35. We have only the last question, number 22, to complete. Yes. So Sachin, Agnel, Payas, Ishan, Amna, Agnivesh, all of you, please, Christina, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I have network problem.
Okay, Payas. Okay, Payas.
On video.
Yes. So children, please take page number 35. We are going to complete the last question. Page number 35. Page number 35.
Question number 22. Solve the following.
Yes. Okay, solve. So children, what's question number A? What do you have to do? 18 and 12 by 28. Yes, Sachin, mute your device. We will do it later. 18 and 12 by 28 minus 11 by 28. So what we have to do, children, here, we have to convert the mixed fraction 18 and 12 by 28 into improper. And after that, what do you have to do? You have to subtract 11 from that. Yes, clear? Can you do?
Ma'am.
Yes, yesterday we have done same like these problems, but it was addition. So to convert this, Aishwarya was telling clearly, we have to multiply the whole number 18 and the denominator 28. Then we have to add the numerator. The numerator is here 12 and the denominator will be the same 28. Then after finding this answer, you have to subtract 11 from that. Yes, children, complete faster. You have to multiply 18 and 28. Then add the numerator 12. Find out the answer. Then subtract 11 from that. The denominators are same. What you will call the fractions with same denominator?
Like fraction.
Like fractions. Very good. Like fractions.
Ma'am, I already done.
Okay. Wait. Do it fast, children. You can do the calculations in the rough book.
Yeah.
Mute your device, my dear. From where the disturbance, please check.
Ma'am, can you share board?
Wait. Okay, so children, we have to multiply 8 into 8. What is 8 times 8?
Ma'am, 64.
4 here, 6 will be carryover. Then what do you have to do? You have to multiply 1 into 8. 1 into 8.
8.
Okay, 1 into 8 is 8 plus 6. 14. So we have here 144. Then, okay, so second row we will start with the 2 tens. Multiply with 2 tens. So the second row starts with
0.
0.
Okay, 8 twos are 8 twos are
16.
16. Yes, 1 is carryover. 8 twos are 16. 1 is carryover. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Find out the answer, children. 4 plus 0? 4 plus 0.
4.
4.
4.
Plus 4?
11.
6 plus 4.
10.
10. Okay,
10.
10. Then carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5. So children, here, when we multiplied 18 times 28, we got 504. 504. Then add the number 12. Find out the answer again. We just multiplied the whole number and the denominator. Then what we had to do? You had to add the numerator. Add the numerator 12 and tell me. Then you have to subtract 11 from that. Yes.
516 by 28.
Yes. 504. 504. You have to add with 12. 4 plus 2, 6, 1. Yes, correct. 516. 516 by 28 minus 11 by 28.
Ma'am, 505 by 28.
Yes, children, please wait. Find out the answer and please check whether it is correct or wrong. 516 minus 11 by 28. So 516 minus 11. 516 minus 11. What is 6 minus 1?
Ma'am, 5.
1 minus 1?
0.
0. So the answer is what? 505. Yes, 505. What will be the denominator?
1.
1. Where is 1 here? Look at the denominator here. What is the denominator? 28. 28. Who got 1?
Zianu.
See, children, we have to only subtract the numerators. Yes, like fractions, how we will do? Adding or subtracting, we have to do add or subtract only the numerators. Write the same denominator. So 28. Please check whether you got the answer. 505.
Same answer.
Let me see how many got the answer. 505 divided by 28. Yes. Ready, children? So can you do the next question B alone? The same like this. Question number B. Yeah.
I got the same answer.
Those who have completed, what you have to do now? Question number B.
Do B
Question number
question.
B. So question number 22B. The same. Here also we have to do subtraction. Yes.
Yes,
24. 13 by 36. 24, 13 by 36 minus 10 by 36. 10
Yes.
by 36.
Ma'am, what you're writing on the bird is getting stuck. No, ma'am.
Why, my dear? This may be
No,
stuck
ma'am.
with your network. Yes, okay, children, please.
No, ma'am.
I have written only the question. Question number B. No need to write the question. You can continue with your answer. You have to convert 24 and 13 by 36. First, you have to convert into improper fraction, then subtract 10 by 36 from that. Do it fast. Last question of this chapter. So children, what we have to do? Multiply 24 times 36 plus add the numerator 13 minus 10 by 36.
6. Okay.
24 multiplied by 36. What is 6 times 4? 6 4.
24.
6 4s are 24. Yes, children, are you getting the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
6 4s are 24. 2 is carryover. What is 6 2? 6 2s are?
Ma'am.
6 into 2.
Ma'am, 12.
12 plus 2. Okay, 14. Yes.
14.
So, children, first row you got 144. Yes. Then second row we will start with the 0.
0.
Then multiply with the 3. 3 into 4. 3 4s are?
Ma'am, 12.
12. 2 is here and 1 is carryover. 3 2s are? 6.
3
plus
twos are
1, 7. So, what's the answer you got, children?
Ma'am, 864.
864.
Okay, so children, again, what we have done only the whole number and the denominator multiplication. Now, what we have to do? Add the numerator 13. Find out the answer. Please don't say the answer now. Please wait. Let everyone complete.
Ma'am, you sent all notes yesterday and today notes you sent the WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, I will send you the WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have network issues. Ma'am.
Okay, those who have network problem, children, I will send the, after this question complete. No, I will send all the notes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you send the notes of question number 17, 18 and 19?
That's what my either Preet, Ramesh, I was saying. Okay, I will send from 17 to 22. Okay, 22 we are completing now. Okay, I will send from 17. I hope I have sent the notes till question number 16. Yes, children? Till question number 16 I have done. Now from 17th I will do today because we are going to complete this chapter today now. Okay, so tell me 864 plus 13?
Ma'am, 877.
877. Are you all doing, children? I want the response. Yes. 7. 877. Please check whether you got the answer, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 10 by 36. So what's the answer?
Ma'am, 867.
Yes. 77 minus 10. You will get 867 by 36. 867 by 36.
Ma'am,
Please check whether, children, your answer is correct or wrong.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
What about others? What about others?
Me too.
Okay, so how many got the correct answer? Let me know. Raise your hand. Yes, children, is there any doubt? What we have done here only? No doubt. Okay, what we have done here, children, please check whether we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper. So what we have done, multiply the whole number and the denominator, then add the numerator, then subtract 10 from that. So the answer is 867 by 36. So children, what we have you all completed this question? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, I will send the notes from question number 17.
Ma'am, can one doubt me?
Ma'am? Yes, Adit?
Ma'am, when is the seminar conducting?
What?
When we
Yes.
conducting?
Let me see. Where is Sachin? Where is Sachin? Sachin, are you ready?
The seminar in next class.
Who? 1 minute, 1 minute.
I will do in the next class because I am preparing that.
Okay. So those who have not done, you can do on a seminar on Monday. Okay. So children, what we have to do now, please take your page number 37. All the children, page number 37, practice questions of chapter 9.2. We are doing as a revision. Okay. Page number 37. Show me the page, that pink color page. Page number 37. Who is got? Yes. Rajan is showing me. Rajan, please show for everyone. Yes, Rajan, show. Yes, children, show. Yes, just. This is page number 37. Yes, the pink color page. Okay. So, children, what we are going to do? We are going to do now.
And Zia and also.
All of you got. Just show me like this. I can see that.
And Zia and also.
Yes. Okay. So, children, question number 13 we are going to do now. Okay. Question number 13. Dara, can you read question number 13? Yes, Dara. Please read question number 13 from page number 37.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you disabled my video.
No, here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I get it.
Okay. Yes, children, please check. Did you get that?
Ma'am, I am doing it now.
Yes. Adit, read that. Why? Dara is not able to read.
Ma'am.
Question number 13, 1, 3. I will write it here on the board.
Ma'am.
Question number 13, page number 37. Practice question. Children, we are doing now revision of this chapter. Page number 37. Practice questions. 13th one. Yes, read.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am?
Yes, my dear Adit. Did you get the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read.
Identify the improper fraction from the following.
Okay, identify the improper fraction. Identify the improper fraction. Amit, can you tell me what you mean by improper?
Ma'am, the numerator will be less than the denominator.
Is it correct, my dear children?
The
Numerator will be greater. Okay, children. Numerator will be greater means it will be improper. So what will be proper fraction? Numerator will be?
Numerator will be less than
Less than. Yes, Rachel, they have confusion. Can you tell me what you mean by improper fraction, Rachel?
Numerator greater than denominator.
Okay, numerator is greater. So I think no confusion for you. Okay, children. So you can write on the side itself. What do you have to do? Identify the improper fractions and write it there. Okay. So
we can circle it.
You can circle it.
Yeah.
Write on the side. You have space, my dear. I will circle here. You can write it again.
Okay.
Because you have space.
Okay.
21 by 39. See, children, no need to write the question. I'm just writing for if anyone is not there without book. Only for them. 121 by 73. Do it fast. If you are doing faster, we can do more. I
finished already.
1 minute, my dear. 1 minute. 56 by 77. 77 by 55. 63 by 41. Then 17 by 21. See, children, you have to write the improper fraction. Question number B also we will do. Question number C you can complete later. 21 by 39.
The question. Am I already finished?
Those who finished.
No, the question is already in the book. No need to write again.
My dear, okay. Those who have the book there, you have to write only the answer. I'm simply writing for those who have done because maybe they are not there at home like that. For them, I'm writing here. Please check.
Ma'am, I am alone.
Okay, now, Malavika, can you give me the answer of question number 13A? Children, have you completed question number A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Malavika.
No,
question number A. Only write the improper fractions.
Ma'am, 121 by 73.
Yes, 121 by 73. Yes. Then
17 by 17.
my dear, Malavika is saying the answer. Yes, Malavika.
Ma'am, 30.
From where the disturbance, my dear? Is it from Malavika? Yes, Malavika.
Yes,
complete that. You said only one, no? Please do it the next.
Ma'am, I tell it 36 by 41.
63 by 41. Then?
Ma'am, then no. Finish.
Is there any, you said only two?
No, 77 by 55.
77 by 55. Okay. Is there any more?
17 by 17.
Yes, children. 17 by 17. Even if the numerator and denominator are same, then also it is considered as improper. Okay. So, children, we have 4 fractions. Please check again, children. Those who have completed 121 by 73, 17 by 17, 77 by 55, 63 by 41. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, Preet Ramesh, question number B. Can you tell me the answer?
And the
All others mute your device.
144 by 13.
Okay, 144 by 13.
18 by 11.
18 by 11.
42 by 41.
42 by 41.
63 by 42.
63 by 42. So children, look here again. We have 144 by 13, 18 by 11, 42 by 41, 63 by 42. We have here also 4 improper fractions. Please check whether you have done all the 4.
Yes, ma'am. I have
So, let me know how many got this question number 13A and 13B correct. Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, please share.
Yes.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Ma'am,
So children, what we have done here, we have identified the improper fraction. What do you mean by improper? The numerator will be greater. If it is equal to the denominator also, that is improper. But if it is less than if the numerator is less than the denominator, such fractions are proper fraction. Yes?
Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Okay. Now, Sachin, are you ready now? Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Sachin is ready. So children, we will
Ma'am,
do
I
the
cannot
seminar.
share the screen.
Wait. I will. Let me enable. Yes. Yes, children, we will see the seminar by Sachin. Yes, Sachin, you can now share. All others mute your device.
In class 3, we have learned
All
that
other children, please mute your device.
in class 3, we have learned that a fraction is a part of a whole. A whole can be a region or a collection. When a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts. We write as 1 by 2. 2 halves make a whole. Now let's get into the questions. When a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each of them is called a... Ma'am, I like to call Hari Govind.
Huh? Yes,
I like
you can
to
call.
call
Yes,
Hari
you can
Govind.
call. Yes.
Hari Govind?
Hari, are you
Hari
there?
Govind?
Can I tell?
Okay. What is the answer? When a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each of them is called a...
Half.
Correct answer.
You said the answer. Yes, Sachin. Before, I think I should have said.
I
Yes.
didn't say the answer, ma'am.
Someone else.
Someone
Okay.
else said the answer.
Okay.
When a whole is divided into 5 equal parts, each of them is called a... Ma'am, I like to call Savio. Ma'am, ma'am, I like to call Savio.
Savio. He's there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then Adit, I like to call Adit.
150 is the
Yes,
answer.
Adit.
Ma'am? Okay, that's the correct answer.
1/5 is the answer, but because don't say the answer loud, fast because some they are calling. Yes. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, dash makes a whole. I like to call Adit.
Dash makes a whole means, is there any options?
No, ma'am.
Circle.
No.
Fraction.
No.
What's the answer, my dear? Tell me.
3 by
Ma'am,
3.
But we cannot say that
answer is
question
3 by
because
3.
many answers are
No
there. Any 5 by 5, 6 by 6. That's
No
why I asked,
option.
is there any options? We cannot say like that without option, my dear. Yes,
Yes.
it is not a definition or something like that. Okay. In the workbook, it is 3 by 3. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means, okay, numerator, denominator will be the same. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, that's the end of my presentation.
Okay. So you can say thank you. Okay, if you want to ask any
Thank
question,
you,
you have.
everybody.
Okay, you can stop sharing. Okay, children. So it was good. Yes, clap for Sachin. Even his presentation was deleted. He was able to do very fast again. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, those who have not done the seminar, you can prepare for the next class.
In the next class, ma'am, I am doing the seminar. I am preparing for.
Okay. So children, those who have completed. Now question, we will do the next question from page number 37. Question number 15. 15. Question number 15. From where the sound might be.
Ma'am, we did not finish question number 14.
14. I said 14. Okay, children, 14. So children, what we have to do to convert mixed fraction to improper? The question is, children, question number 14. You can complete question number A and B now. Convert this 12 and 1 by 9 into a mixed fraction. Then you can do question number B. 11 and 7 by 11. Convert this mixed fraction to improper. How we can do that? Tell me. How we can convert mixed fraction to improper? Who can tell me that? Yes.
What is the question number?
Question number 14.
14. Okay, ma'am.
Now listen to my question. How we can convert a mixed fraction to improper?
Multiply.
Multiply what?
The whole number and the denominator and add the numerator.
Yes. So children, multiply the whole number 12. Then multiply the whole number and the denominator. Then what do you have to do? Add numerator. So what is the numerator here? It is 1 by the whole divided by the same. Do complete question number A and B fast. Okay. By the time I'll take your attendance. This is question number 14 from page 37.